Welcome to this series of web lectures on emissions in transport. I am Layla Martin and I am an assistant professor of transport and logistics at the Eindhoven University of Technology. I am also a research director at the European Supply Chain Forum. Throughout this series of web lectures, I am going to walk you through the magnitude and effect of transport emissions. We're also going to look into emission regulations that are currently in place or that are going to happen in the future. After that, we're going to look into the interaction of emissions and other objectives. So, because we can try, of course, to reduce emissions fully, but we, of course, always have to act within budgetary requirements and also making sufficient profit, delivering the goods sufficiently fast. We are then going to look into two exemplary solutions for reducing emissions. The first one being modal shift, and the second one being operational change. Why are we as a European Supply Chain Forum offering this series of web lectures to you? The European Supply Chain Forum is a collaborative forum bringing together academics and industry. And we're doing so by bringing our students into different companies, by offering workshops, by jointly conducting research with industry. And we also have workshops and webinars like this one to disseminate research and to disseminate knowledge. Thanks.